Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Settings so you can remove Memoji stickers quickly. Open Settings, tap General, then Keyboard. This is where the setting lives. Once there, locate Memoji stickers or the dedicated Memoji keyboard entry and disable it. Make sure to confirm any prompts. If you don't see a direct toggle, tap Keyboards to remove the Memoji keyboard from the list. After you remove it, force close the app with the keyboard to make the change take effect immediately. Now focus on the keyboard list to eliminate the sticker source. Tap Keyboards, then Edit. This exposes the remove controls. Find the Memoji or sticker keyboard and tap the red minus, then delete to remove it fully. This ensures Memoji stickers won't auto-suggest. Make sure your primary keyboards like Emoji and your language keyboard remain. Once deleted, go back and open a messaging app to test. Your Memoji sticker row should be gone. If not, continue to the final cleanup. Finish by restarting the iPhone to clear any cached keyboard state so the removal sticks. Once the phone reboots, open Messages or Notes and confirm the sticker strip and Memoji icon are gone. If you still see stickers, go back to Settings and reset the keyboard dictionary. This clears learned suggestions that might re-enable sticker prompts. One troubleshooting tip: sign out and back into iCloud if Memoji sync persists. This forces
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.